All right, guys, got a TEM8. Went into the programming and enabled the external switch, which is here. The two blue wires out of the package. Got it over to the float switch, and for some odd reason, this Diversitech will not work. It sends power over through a circuit board, and it powers up an LED. So I had to cut these wires in order for the CPU to actually cut off the power and give me an alert code. So if you guys are using Diversitech on a TEM8, it will not break that 24 volt here for the external switch. So what you don't know, you don't know. All right, catch you on the next one.